Let us begin with the series tracker. Adding a new series requires name, poster, total seasons, short plot details, one or more genres, release year, watch status, currently watching season number, episode number. Select yes or no for rewatchability of a series, add finish date, your rating out of 10, and extra notes if needed. You can also filter them by genres, release year, rewatchable, status, etc. Series Gallery, where you get the quick look at all the series by statuses to be watched and watched. Details like poster, name, release year, plot, and genres are visible to identify and also easy to make your next pick. You can also check your progress by viewing series under status labels to be watched and watched. Genres list is maintained on a separate page. Get this series tracker along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Thank you.